Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform. So if you enjoy the videos that I make, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys, today is the type of day that I love being able to share with you because I was able to find something amazing in the points section. If you're not familiar with the points section on IPSY, what's great about it is when we do our reviews on our products, they give us points. And if you're able to keep those points going, you then can have the option to be able to get free products that get shipped for free inside your bags the following month. So I'm always excited and always try to build up my points so that when a palette becomes available or something that costs like 1,800 points, that is when I go in and I keep looking and keep looking. And then when I find it, I feel so excited that I'm able to get something that you're gonna see now that I was able to pick for myself. And what I'm talking about is one of these fantastic Viseyard palettes. So this cost me 1,800 points. They put it in one of the bags that I received. I completely forgot about it, but if you know me, on my desk, I keep notes so that when, because it's a month ago that I chose this. So when I know when it comes in, if there's something in the bag that I'm not familiar with, I then sit down and I'm able to know exactly why or what it's all about. And because of this, I remembered that it was those 1,800 points that I was able to find in November. So it showed up in my December box. So what this is called the Viseart Petit Pro Trois. And they're saying this is a value of $30 on its own. And that's what's great about doing those reviews, because those points add up and then you're able to get free products. It says this is a compact palette that is perfect travel size. It's packed with some serious punch, complete with 8 super pigmented and blendable shades in matte, satin, and shimmer finishes. It's got everything you need to channel your inner makeup artist. You can apply with your preferred makeup brush or applicator. This brand is cruelty-free and never tested on animals. And about the brand, they're saying it is beloved by professional makeup artists on top film sets around the world. Viseyard's high-performance makeup formulas harness the best plant-based resources and innovative technology. I have been very lucky that I have been able to get the product in this size as well as the full-size palettes. And I'm telling you, these pack the exact amount of punch as those full size do. And these are always great to have either in your purse or on a weekend getaway, or if you're traveling. They are so compact. There is a mirror inside here as well. They're just so well done. The material on it feels very NARS. If you're familiar with NARS, it's that type of feel of the compact. It feels very, very high end. Like I said, there's a full mirror inside here, and it has one of those really great safety shields that you know that it's going to help protect your shadows from transferring onto the mirror. So I always end up keeping these. And then these are the gorgeous, gorgeous shades. So the top row, I'm putting it upside down. So what you're seeing, the top row here is the mattes and the bottom row are the shimmers. I'm going to do a quick swatch so that you guys will know what this is all about. So if you see this in future points, or if you see this in future add-ons, you will be able to know what the colors look like on the swatches. What I can tell you is I've worn Viseyard palettes a lot, and they are very, very, very pigmented. You need a very light hand or you will be blending till the cows come home. So here we go. So starting with the first 4, and these are your typical, to me, everyday colors that if you don't know what you're going to be wearing, this is your 100% products that you can wear on your eyes every day. You have your all over color, you have your transition shade, you have your deepen up the outer corner, and then you have your liner shade if you don't want to wear, you know, eyeliners. The deeper black always comes in handy. And when you wear these, like I said, you do not have to, you saw it was like a very light touch that I went in with the palette, and the pigmentation is really, look how much is still left on my hands. It is such a gorgeous, gorgeous formula that, like I said, I'm just very, very careful when I'm using the Viseyard brand, because I know the pigmentation is going to be there, and I go in with a very, very, very light hand. But the color payoff is so beautiful, and they last all day on my lids, be it if I wear eyeshadow primer or I don't. And now I'm going to do the bottom 4, which are the shimmer shades. And what's nice is they are satin shimmers, so you have no glitter in here at all. And these are always great for in the corner. You want to add a little punch to your eye look. These are always what I do in the center of my eye. And it's something that I find really makes a big, big difference in my eye looks. And the shimmer shades make the mattes look dull, which is crazy. That's how gorgeous the shimmer shades are. So that is the swatched palette from the points section on IPSY. But like I said, the Visearts, a lot of time, if we're lucky, show up in kits in the shopper on IPSY. And if you're not familiar with the shopper is something that is completely different than add-ons or flash sale items. They usually put either one product or a group of products together, and they also ship on their own. You don't have to wait for a bag or anything, and they usually ship, for me anyways, they have always shipped for free in the USA. And that's where I've gotten some beautiful bundles in reference to Viseart palettes, as well as a lot of other high-end brands, and some phenomenal bundles. And I try my best to share with you everything that I see, so that you guys can know about it as well, because there's so much that goes on with IPSY. Every other week they pretty much have a sale, and when I'm able to find out about it, I try to film and share that with you guys as well, so that you guys don't miss out. I always say that even if I'm showing it to you and you're on a low buy or a no buy, or I say then it's our decision. But if you don't know about a deal and you miss out on a deal of something that you wanted, then that hurts. That's where, you know, it comes in. But to me, an educated shopper is one that knows about something and chooses to either get it or not get it. But I want to make sure that if I know about the deals, I want to make sure that you guys know about it too. So that's why I always say at the beginning of my videos that I do upload a lot, because sometimes I have a planned video for that day, but if a deal shows up, you might see more than one video in one day on my channel. I also, since I started this channel just over 2 years ago, have literally saw that I literally have uploaded every single day at least a video. So that's why I say if you aren't subscribed, you'll miss out. So I want to make sure that, because it's free and the information is there, but if we don't know about it, that's how we miss out. And I'm doing my best to have a channel to make sure that not only do you learn about the products, you get to see the products swatched, but you also have to know about the sales when they're going on, so that you can take advantage of some of these great deals too, including free products like this, if you do your reviews and your points add up. So that's everything I have for you guys today. Please share in the comments down below if you've got this in the points section as well, or if you've chosen some other items in the points section that I should have my eyes on and build up to points to get some of those type of products and those brands. Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.